Hello everybody, I'm Lucas and I'm creator of a DesignKit Figma plugin. As I promised from the previous video, today I will show you how to use Canvas components which I published yesterday in a new version. So let's start. We have already run DesignKit plugin, and on the screen under Helper tab you can see a new UI for the two different Canvas components. The first one includes classic and modern PCF power-ups components. The second one includes created custom components, which combines the different Canvas components together. On the left side, I've already created some empty screen where I will start design modern and custom components. So I have created text login. Now I will put modern text PCF and locate in my screen. The same I will do for the password. I will just change the prefixes. And change name of the label. Now I will generate a PCF button and resize it. Now I will just center it in the middle. For this demo, I will only put some custom component to show you how this will look like after exporting to YAML and importing in your Canvas application. Let me just put a bar chart. Now I have prepared screen, check if validation is okay, validation successful, and export the screen. Go to my prepared and unpacked Canvas MSAPP file. I will include the screen and run the Visual Studio Code where I will pack this MSAPP file with this command. Okay, everything is fine. I'll go to Builder and Power-Ups and load this design screen. So here we have the prepared screen where is automatically at default for your bar chart. Only what you need to put real data from your table and the chart will be updated. Here for the login and pass, it's only needed centralize your objects, and that's everything what you need for the small changes. And that's all how to use prepared Canvas components. In next versions, I will put much more components and new features related for the importing and exporting for your Canvas applications. Do not miss any news on LinkedIn page MyCondy, where I will inform you about new versions. Thank you for the watching and have a great day.